What's going on, everyone? Hunter here. Cold November mornings, quiet Virginia hardwoods. This is my 2025 rifle season whitetail hunt. Come along as I call a solid buck into range deep in the heart of deer country. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the hunt.
Alright, what's up, guys? It is Monday, November 24th, 7 o'clock. We're up here in the new pop-up blind that we got set up a couple weeks ago. It is 40 degrees, which is the coldest morning that we've had pretty much all season. There was one 30-degree morning. A little bit of fog and clear skies. Little to no wind. If there is any, it's like northeast. We just got up here to our spot right as daylight hit. And I had 3 does down below me on my way up in here. So that's a good sign. That's more action than I've seen in the last week combined. We got our chair set up and we're just gonna hang out and see what happens. Maybe do a little bit of grunting. There's a scrape line down below us that a buck is using pretty regularly. I don't know what buck it is, but I've got 2 targets in here. Neither one of them are giants. One of them's a pretty good 9-pointer, young deer. The other one is a 6-pointer without brow tines, and I just think that's kind of cool. Both of them are on the hit list, but the 9-pointer I've nicknamed Tricky because he is a tricky deer. But anyways, we got deer around us. I don't want to talk too much. Let's just see what happens. We're hunting this little clearing here like we have been. We're just on this clearing and watching this ridge. There's big go, boys. Right down in the creek. There we go, boys. .831. Came into the old grunt call. Finally, this audate's got a deer on him. I don't know how good the shot was. It was about 100 yards, I'd say. He crashed. I don't know if I got it on video. Couldn't see because of the glare on the camera screen. But he crashed right about here somewhere in the creek. And I couldn't tell you what he is. We had a stare down for about 2 minutes. And once I could scope him, all I seen was he had a fairly decent rack. I believe he's an 8-pointer or a big 6. But I'm fine either way. I've hunted so hard for 2 years. And we finally put a buck down. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I know it was a pretty solid shot. He didn't move maybe 15 yards and he went downhill. 8:32 in the morning. That's my first buck since the 6-pointer, and I haven't even uploaded that one. I grunted him in. I'm so glad I got that on camera. People always doubt the grunt call, man. And I just blew it a couple times and he came downwind, perfect, right across the holler. He was probably 85 to 100 yards. And we had a stare down. We had a stare down for probably 2 or 3 minutes. I had the gun half-shouldered, and I was just sitting. That's what it's about right there, boys. That's what it's about. Killed him out of a little pop-up blind I got for $20 on Amazon. I threw it up maybe last week. I've hunted it 4 times probably. And I knew there was bucks in here. I had a good one kill it out from under me opening day. And there's all kinds of buck sign, and I seen this scrape line and I knew something was running it. I'm more than happy with that one, boys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Well, y'all, here we are. Good 7-pointer. I'm more than pleased with him. I know y'all can't see me, but it's the best I can do right now. I am more than pleased with this deer. It's all-8 Thompson Center Encore. Ate him up. First deer with it, and man, am I proud of him. Now he's down in a ravine with about 6 uprooted trees kind of blocking him, so it's gonna be fun getting him out of here, but it's all worth it. Thank y'all for watching, liking and subscribing and everything else. I appreciate it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope y'all have a successful season like this. Get out and hunt, introduce some new people to the sport, to the traditions, and yeah, he broke off right here on this G2. He snapped that one fell down in this ravine. I can't find it anywhere, but it's alright. He probably just broke about an inch or two off of it. Everything else is intact, and beautiful deer. Beautiful deer. Thank you, buddy. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try and gut him and get him on out of here before he stiffens up.